Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to delete the annoying other storage on your iPhone. Now, having used an iPhone with only 16 GB of storage before, I suffered numerous times from not having enough space, and no matter how many apps or photos I deleted, there would always be this mysterious other storage that would be taking up a lot of space. So the first thing you need to do is check how much other storage is actually on your phone. So to do this, open Settings on your phone, click on General, and then click on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down to the bottom and you can see exactly how much space this other storage is taking up on your phone. As you can see on my phone, I have about 4.5 gigabytes of other storage, which is generally on the low side, as some people have reported having around 20 to 30 gigabytes of other storage. Now, since I'm using a 64 GB phone, this does not have too much of an impact on me. However, if you're using a 16 GB phone, then 5 GB of other storage can be a major problem. So next, before you delete the other storage, you need to understand what exactly this other storage is. Well, the other storage is usually made up of cache files and other temporary files. Over time, as you use your phone, the cache files start adding up and eventually start taking up a lot of space. The system should delete these files regularly, but sometimes the cache files get stuck. Even iOS updates find a way to get stuck in there. So how do you remove the other storage? Well, the easiest way to remove all of the other storage is to back up your phone and then restore the data back to your phone. Now, this sounds like a scary procedure. However, you will not lose any data if you back up your phone and restore it. The procedure is completely worth it because it will completely remove the other storage on your phone and free up a bunch of space. So first, open Settings on your phone, tap on your name, and then tap on iCloud. On this screen, make sure that everything you want to back up is turned on. Anything not turned on will not be backed up and will be deleted from your phone. Now, as you can see, I have almost everything turned on except photos, because iCloud only gives 5 GB of free storage, and photos tend to take up a lot of space. So to back up your photos, you can either use Google Photos, which provides unlimited storage for your photos, or you can back up your photos to a computer using iTunes. If you don't know how to do this, I have linked a guide in the description below. A third option you have for photos is to simply upgrade iCloud to get more storage. For only 99 cents a month, which is $129 in Canada, you can get up to 50 gigabytes of iCloud storage, which should be more than enough to back up your entire phone. So now the next step is to actually back up your phone. So open Settings, tap on your name once again, and then tap on iCloud. Now scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup, and make sure it is on. Now tap on Backup Now, and wait for your iPhone to fully back up. So once you have fully backed up your iPhone, you will notice a timestamp stating the last successful backup. So once you confirm that all your data has been successfully backed up, you can go ahead and reset your phone. So to reset your phone, open Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Reset. Now tap on Erase all content and settings, and from the pop-ups, confirm that you do want to reset your phone. Once the phone restarts to the welcome screen, follow the instructions to set up the phone until you reach the Apps and Data screen. On this screen, tap on Restore from iCloud Backup and sign into your iCloud account. Now choose the backup you just created and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the restoration process, which should take a while. Once the restoration is complete, you will notice that your phone is back to the way it was. Now if you head on over to Settings, you will notice that almost all of the other storage has disappeared from your device. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this.